welcome to another vlog. Long time no see. There's a lot to catch up on. We had some fun travels. We went to Nashville to see Pearl Jam. Pearl Jam is Michael's favorite band and he won tickets to see them before the pandemic, and the concert kept getting postponed and postponed and finally got rescheduled. It was really fun. We went with my brother-in-law and sister-in-law and we had a great time. It was my first time in Nashville. The food was very good. It's been a long time since I had seen just crowds of people on a night out. There's live music on every corner. And we had a great time. And then right after that, we ended up going to LA. It was our 5-year wedding anniversary and we just wanted a little last kick of sunshine before the cold weather kicks in at home. So we went to LA. We got to see some of our best friends that we hadn't seen in a long time. One of our friends recently bought a house. It was great. It was relaxing. Again, so much delicious food. And we got to explore more of the east side of LA, which I had never really been to before. This time it was nice to actually go to LA just for vacation purposes. So that brings us up to speed to today. Going to pop into the grocery store and get some chicken soup supplies. Good. Nothing feels better than a hot beverage on a cold day. It's really cold out today. It actually might snow, which is very rude. I got my hair done. I wanted to show you the outcome. It's really shiny. This is the darkest it's been in quite a while. We toned down my highlights a bit to a level 7, if anybody cares. I really love it. I also got a good amount of hair chopped off and it just feels nice. I'm wearing my Everlane turtleneck, just plain cotton, ribbed cotton turtleneck. I've had this for years, great for layering. I'm wearing these vintage Escada trousers that I bought from a thrift shop in Pittsburgh a few years ago. This is from last year. They have a similar one on their website right now. This is just like a wool blend coat. This is from the Mango and Pernil collection last year. It's really long, super cozy. It's like a wool blend. It has pockets. I was initially afraid that it didn't have pockets because the pockets came sewn shut, but it does have pockets. And then for my bag, I have this bag that I'm borrowing right now from my mom. Sometimes her and I do little bag swaps. This is a Saint Laurent Nikki tote. Has this nice chain strap. This is one of my favorite colors for fall winter because it's still a neutral, but it gives the outfit a bit more depth, especially if you like to wear all black. I also love the textured leather, and I love the fact that the YSL logo is the same color as the bag, so it's a bit more understated. Still works crossbody as well if you need to be hands-free. And my favorite way to wear it is just as a shoulder bag like this. So that's my outfit. And just imagine hot pink rain boots below. Hello, another day, another fall work outfit. Playing around with my makeup because every time I kind of go from lighter hair to darker hair, I feel like I have to adjust things a little bit in terms of my everyday makeup routine. And I use the Pat McGrath Mothership 5 eyeshadow palette today for the first time in a while, and I thought I would show you what I'm wearing before I head over to work. And I also have to stop by my mom's house today because she made us some soup. I have a sweater on right now because it's still quite chilly, but I'm wearing this tan sweater dress. It's sleeveless. This is old, but it's from JW Anderson. My boots are from Zara. They have a heel, but the heel's chunky. Do you have something to add to the conversation? Well, I was literally about to walk out the door and the UPS man was about to knock on my door, and he delivered my latest COS purchase because COS had a friends and family sale. Oh yeah. So it's this incredible, oh, the color is so good. It's a really good brown, and it's this thick, cozy cashmere sweater. It's got some lint on it. Hang on a second. So this is it. I really love the color, and it has this cool opening in the front. So this will be really cool thrown just over stuff like with dresses. I figure this would be really great to layer. This would also look really cute with high-waisted pants because it has this amazing detail in the front. Oh yeah, this fits so nice. I got the size small, and it's cut to have an oversized fit, which I love. It's really, like I said, it's really nice for layering. Now let me try and find a lighting so you can get a better idea of the color. It was expensive, so if it's not perfect, I would return it, but it's exactly what I wanted. Just like a cool, super cozy sweater to layer with dresses and to wear with high-waisted pants. Like I would just wear a crop top underneath and high-waisted pants. On the website they had this style with a pair of high-waisted leather pants, and it looked so good. And then the other two things I got are just simple layering, like thin knit layered turtlenecks. Fits the bill. So it's just a nice like sheer knit turtleneck. These are so easy to wear, easy to layer, really nice. So I bought it in black, and then I bought one in cream as well. I look like a dewy goblin this morning. I just finished my skincare. I'm working from home today. I am very grateful to be able to work from home on days like this because it is gloomy, it's miserable outside, and I have a migraine. Just wanted to check in and let you know that not every day is a fantastic, beautiful day, but you know what? We have to find the silver lining, and we have to enjoy little pockets of the day wherever we can. The one nice thing is that I'm very happy with my skincare routine at the moment. I need to do an updated skincare routine video, and it's funny because I'm using less things because I got overzealous a few months ago. I started introducing all this new stuff, and then my skin was just not happy. And that's the thing, you know, especially when I follow so many skincare influencers, and they have beautiful skin, and they're just showing their like lofty skincare routines all the time, and they're always trying new stuff, and they're layering different serums, they switch stuff up, and I'm like, okay, maybe I need to do that to level up. And every time I do that, my skin like blows up, and it's like, no girl, that's not what works for us. So every time I strip it back to the basics, my skin just thrives. So just another lesson learned, you know? So I'm excited to share with you what I've been using. It's quite simple. New moisturizer, new serum that I'm so happy with. So stay tuned for that. I think I'm gonna get that up maybe next week. I don't wanna keep you hanging until I post my updated skincare routine video. So this is the moisturizer. Love this. This is the Stradia Liquid Gold. This has been a favorite in the skincare community for years, but I've only gotten to try it recently, and it is fantastic. It's really lightweight, but really nourishing at the same time. It's not quite as rich as SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore, but not quite as lightweight as the Youth to the People Polypeptide Cream. Somewhere in the middle, but I love it. It's fantastic. The ingredients list is great. And then this is the serum. I've been talking about this on Instagram since it launched. This is amazing. If you have sensitive skin, sensitized skin, this is just a great hydrating serum that also gives you antioxidant protection, and it has ingredients to just support your skin barrier. It's like a 3-in-1 serum. So I use this morning and night. And my skin is very happy. Hello, greetings from my lunch break. It has been so beautiful this week. Can you tell how affected I am by the weather? I know I'm not alone, but I just drone on about the weather in my vlogs. I'll try to keep it brief. Heating up some chili, my sweet potato chili. I've been making it for years. I will link the recipe that I use in the description box. It hasn't changed. I'm wearing a t-shirt that I actually bought in Nashville. The brand is called Imogen and Willie. Really cool brand, made in the USA. They have really beautiful graphic t-shirts and highly recommend them. They also have really cool jeans as well. I thought this was a bit, you know, appropriate as, you know, a souvenir shirt from Nashville. My trousers are from Vince, another oldie but goodie. Bought them a few years ago now from Nordstrom Rack, and I'm barefoot. So that's the work outfit, and I will catch up with you later to wrap up the vlog and show you what I got in the Sephora sale. Before I sign off the vlog, I did want to show you 2 impulse purchases that I made at Sephora. You know, the VIB sale always gets me. Even though I said I wasn't excited, something just came over me when I walked into Sephora. It was, you know, the sales associates were really kind, the music was good, the lights were bright, so I got a bit sidetracked at the Armani section and I came out with 2 products. The first thing is actually a repurchase. This is my favorite shade of the Armani eye tint. This is shade number 11. It's called Rose Ashes. If you've followed my channel for a while, you will know how much I love this. I've actually gone through 2 of these before in my life. So this is my 3rd one, and I had one, then I used it up earlier this year and I missed it. And then I was, you know, walking by the Armani section in the Sephora and I saw this and I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy this again because I really miss having it in my life. If you've watched my favorite one and done eyeshadow video that I did a couple years ago, this was in there. And I'm just glad I have this. It's a very nothing color. I call it like a My Eyelids But Better color. It's just the most beautiful pinky beige with like a slight duochrome. It's so pretty, so easy. Love this product. So I repurchased this and I'm really happy about it. And then the other thing that caught my eye is this Giorgio Armani Neo Nude Melting Color Balm. This is a relatively new product. I believe it was launched last year as part of the Neo Nude range, and I was watching one of Alana Davison's videos and she was talking about this product. She was talking about a darker shade number 22, which I swatched in store and I really wanted it too, but it was sold out, and that shade is sold out everywhere, so I'm not sure what's happening there. That shade is a little bit darker, but I also liked the look of this shade, and this is shade 20. They call it cool brown, but on my skin, it like warms up a little bit, but in the best way possible. And it's marketed as a cream blush, but it's a multi-purpose product. It says here, it's a melting color balm for cheeks and eyes. So you can use this on the eyes or on the cheeks. It has a really interesting texture. It almost feels like a cream to powder. If I had to compare this texture to anything, I would compare it to like, and this is going to be a very niche comparison, but if you remember the old Chanel cream blushes, that's what this texture reminds me of. It's like that mixed with the NARS soft matte blushes, but not as silicone-y as the NARS soft matte blushes. Like this texture is nicer than the NARS matte blushes. So it's a matte product, but it's creamy, but not slippery. It's really cool. And I am so obsessed with this color. I can feel a new favorite emerging. I'm wearing this today on my cheeks as a blush and on my eyes as an eyeshadow, and I'm not wearing anything else. I'm not wearing any other bronzer, contour, whatever, and not wearing any other eyeshadow. So this is the only thing I'm wearing on my cheeks and on my eyes. Obviously, I have, you know, oily skin, so I do have some natural oils coming through. I'm not wearing highlighter or anything. This product will be matte when you first apply it, but you know, throughout the day, my natural oils come out and give this a little bit of glow. Or, you know, if you have a really glowy base underneath, it will eventually shine through. But this I'm really smitten with. These seem to be mostly sold out at Sephora online, so I would recommend checking out your local store or your local counter. I'm having a really hard time to find many of the colors in stock, so I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they were having stock issues for some reason. I really want to get shade 22 as well. So yeah, just wanted to put this on your radar. It seems to be part of like the permanent collection, part of the Neo Nude collection, so maybe they just have stock issues right now, because like I said, it is a new-ish product, so I would hope it's not discontinued already. But yeah, if you have not checked this out yet, I recommend checking this out. This is really beautiful, so easy to wear, and all the colors, like now I kind of want more shades. All the colors, even like the brighter, like actual blush colors, have this muted quality to it, and that is my makeup kryptonite. I love muted tones. For an interesting color description, and I did some comparison swatches so you can see them on the screen right now. This is like if Burberry Earthy Blush and the Chantecaille Sylvie eyeshadow had a baby. This is like, it's kind of like got elements of both, but obviously it doesn't have the sheen of Chantecaille Sylvie, and the formula is a little bit different. And the fact that I can wear it as an eyeshadow and it's like an amazing one and done color, and I can wear it on my cheeks as a blush, 10 out of 10. I'm going to stop raving about this now, but as you can tell, I'm very excited. I love this feeling. I love this feeling of discovering a really good product. It's 4:46 p.m. right now. I've had this on since the morning, so it has held up nicely. Like the pigment has stayed on my cheeks, even with my oils coming through. I did set my face with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I find that that does help pigment kind of stay on the skin for longer. Armani Beauty never lets me down. I am such an Armani fan. So that's about it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. There was truly a bit of everything in here. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.